Waiting day, my people. I don't come again. No, I want to continue from where we stop now for the last class. Today we go do it. We go work on waiting they call keyboard. And you know, say I don't treat keyboard before, but how to come customize the keyboard now. I go to do for now today. I know say to customize that one will be anything we had. Let me see. Go first match. Waiting they call them start menu. From start menu we go enter waiting where. Control panel, you go there your right pane. You know, say I don't tell you using right pane mean. Let me say the right hand side will be say all the folders and the settings if you do on top of your computer day. So as we match them, this thing can show up, and you know I don't say you don't know by now what this one mean. For those of you be saying now the first class we na the attend this, I go advise say make you go over, make you go listen to or watch all the clips we don't do before. But you know say for clarity reason now I will come show you within we do for here. This one I view by we go call and then we go call and say I want view this your control panel, because inside control panel we did so you go come match them. As you match this button, three category go dey. I mean these three options will be available for now, and now if you select say okay now small icon I won't see you if to say the big one the stop in a high. I be you know want make somebody they see the thing with your control panel. If you turn on to small icon, you know, say you don't turn to small icon. At the same thing with the inside, but you don't reduce for size. Next is we say if you match them again, see what's in the call category for here. And category you don't put everything for class. You don't put them for their right class. You know, say if in the class, let me say you know what's in the call class now. GCS1 go GCS1, GCS2 go GCS2. Let me say if you define your picking with the GCS2, you go SS3. No go SS3 class. So now so in be when computer saying one categorize something, you will just look say which one look like. Let me say their own job, their function is similar. You will just put them for class. But to throw everything open, like say student day assembly, hey, now say you will use large icon or a small icon. So we can't use large icon like I use, and I won't use that now. So you can just look around. So if you can't use large icon like I use right now, you just look around which you want to deal with now keyboard. So keyboard there here, you just match them. So as you match keyboard, this chicken window can show up. When you work all this thing, and for here two categories can dey. Let me say two class can dey. Class number one character repeats. Let me say when you press character or anything on top keyboard, when you hold and down, how you want making the repeat? Saying you want making the repeat fast, I've been making it repeat slowly. That means small. So now you go decide that one, and I wait this one to talk for here with that. And the second category will be the second class. Now cursor blink rate. Now me say this your cursor how you want making the blink. So I go make you sit down, take water, make you relax more, because I go treat everything and we no go too take for here because we get other things to do for the next class where they come soon. So this one say repeat delay. You know say God no go let us see what they call delay for our life. Oh, delay now something we say you do something now, you can't take time before another one can happen. So this one they say okay, if you hold any key on top keyboard now, if you hold them first time, how long you want make it take before the second one will come? Now they call repeat delay. Show you guys now. But this one now, my own don't make it not too long, make it not too short. Now I put them for here, but I prefer to make it short, past making long. So I put them for here. So if you use this line with the here plus this thing, now they call slide bar. Now you say if you slide them from which place to this place, if you move them to select your option or anything where you like, sure you get now. Listen, I end day before if you want make your own day here. Let me say you want make it long, but make it not be too long. Hey, I ain't gonna take for here. So the second one we say repeat rate. Let me say it is similar to the first one, but the big difference we say if you set this one to long now, let me say it go take effect between your first character, and let me say the first character where you type and the second one. Every other one will come follow this rate. Sure you get now. But now my rate dey fast. by default in dey fast. So make I come remove my rate to okay. Most see wetin fast mean, and no forget say rate. I can never tell yourself sorry. Rate na how you want make the thing dey repeat. How fast you want make it repeat. You know, say if you want can make it repeat slowly, or make it repeat fast, sharp, as we dey call am for here. So in dey fast for here, I will come here. I wan mash the key wey they call G on top keyboard now. I hold am down. Check wetin go happen for the first two. You see the first one first come. He come wait small. Now he come they put every other one. Come put am fast. Do you know? That na wetin I don tell you because I don say make the first one first long to delay. So make the rate after the second one come dey fast. Sure you get now. So now what I just do now. So more come reverse wetin we do now. I hope so you don't get that one. Okay. More come reverse wetin we do now. More come turn this one to slow. Sure you get, and make this one come dey short. Now me say he go first do the first two fast. This other one go slow, but this one you no go fit see am well because you know say na contradictory something. Na something we say word and opposite. Now we wan deal with now. So more just hold on, more see. So now I go press Y on top my keyboard. See wetin happen. See, as I match the first one, quickly second one come. So you can't maintain this rate slow. You just maintain am. They go. So now wetin repeat rate be, and I don't know how you want use them, but now I want to teach you how it fit the work. So if you want make your repeat rate increase, if you want make it decrease, the essence or be the importance of this class now to show you say the thing dey possible, and now you go come define how your computer go be. Now make we call them keyboard customization. Now be how to customize keyboard. Show now here so that you fit decide how you want use them. So for my own now, if I say me I go prefer say make him fast. So make this one come dey this way long. So we go fit see am again. See am. I go press 5 now on top my keyboard. First one go first show, then go delay small. Second one go just show. After second one, everything go on dey fast. See am. That's now wetin I dey tell you. So if you don't understand them, I bet me do them on top of your own system. So until I come to this one, maybe in the future, I don't know. Okay, so for here now, we'll do the second category, more they go house. This one say cursor blink rates. That one not even hard at all. You know why I talk say no hard? This one they have to say this guy with the blink. I don't think you see that cursor they call him for Yibo. In they go, in they come, in they go, in they come. In they come, abi. Now, I want to say, okay, this going and coming, where the thing go, they do, how fast you want making they do them. Abi, even though if no one making do them at all, if you do them, make I give you something where they similar. Will come to my mind now. You know, say for human being, sometimes we if we blink, now you say our eye, you know, say something. You know, go fit open eye for 1 minute now. You will close and small, open them again, close and small, open them again. You know, say sometimes you go see some people say their own, then they close them fast. They say they close them 3 times, open them 3 times, open them. Now say they feel blink. Now that closing that they call blink. So they feel blink like some people blink like 60 times for 1 minute. Some people feel blink like 100 times for 1 minute. Some no they blink at all. They go just open eye like their body.
Are you looking around for a bank with the brain power to power your business up? The bank with experience and the result that you need to thrive? I have a bank with over 100 years of excellent service to the nation. Bank of the Year for whopping 50 years and still counting. It is SME and CEO's banker of choice. Talking of no other than this bank of Nigeria, the bank of choice.
Back to what I tell you now. This one to go to come, and they call blink. So for this guy where they here now, how you want making they do? You want making they go come fast, and making they go come slow. na im go cause the go slow and na im go free the go slow. So my own dey here no be say make e no slow, make e no too fast, but make e fast. Remember say na this one na slide bar, make una no forget o. So I come say make e fast. See am now, see am. Fast, 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 fast. Left, right, left. You know how they do now. Okay, so if you want make it go slow, well, see am. So that how to. So the essence, a bit important to say, anytime when you slide bar, if you move on towards the right or to the left, now to read wetin dey there with the cocoa. So if you no wan make you come blink at all, remember say some people no dey blink for 1 minute as I talk am. Just push am enter that place. The guy no go fit go again. He will just station there like soldier. So when you finish, if you mash apply, remember say apply na to save and make dey continue, make you carry go. And okay na to save and make you close this window. Cancel na im say you no wan make him save am at all, make you just close. If this one wey I talk now for this side dey new to you, well, you don know am be that. But if you wan know am better, if you dey go our previous classes, so because I don talk about this thing when we dey do custom, when we dey customize wetin we call am machine tax bar, when na start menu. So make you find that module, make you play am, enjoy am. So I go soon now for the next class. I don through with wetin I dey wan do for here. Try am for your own house, try am for your own time. Don't forget to log on to the website. Question dey boku, and you sef fit dey ask question, people go dey answer. Even me sef go dey. If you send me email, if you send SMS to us, if you even wetin you no fit do to contact us, if you get on the website to put your question there, people go answer. And anything wey be say you sef don know, when you see people ask question, make you sef try to answer. If you wrong, people go correct you. So that's na how to learn, and that's na the importance of this our class. Sure, you understand? So nobody be island of knowledge. Nobody know anything pass. Nobody only pass. So make una get in touch with us, so that you sef go fit dey teach me sometimes. You know, sometimes I go dey forget. So I go see una for the next class, and make una do jeje o, na jeje.